What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Tay96, man. I know it's been a long time, guys. I just been working and putting these hot rods together, but I got so much footage I want to show you guys. And today I want to show y'all a truck I've been working on for about a year. Had it for 2 years, but I know I've been working on it for about a year or two. So check it out and tell me what y'all think. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment on the video. Thank you. I want to show y'all my 1986 GMC Sierra 1500. Somebody call them R10, some call them C10, some call them short wheelbase. I pretty much redid the entire drivetrain on the truck, and still a work in progress, but got a lot of time and money in the truck. Very meaningful to me and would never be for sale.
Nothing's for sale.
So tell me what y'all think, man. They used to have some Kragers on it at first. I took the Kragers off, so I put the C10 rallies on it. And I grew up in the old era and got old soul, done like a 3-wheel spin on the wheel. So I added the 3-wheel spinners on the truck as well. I changed this bumper right here. It had a utility bumper on it. I put more of a smooth bumper on it. When I purchased the truck, it came with these 3-inch exhaust Flowmasters on it, Super 44. They sound so good. I want to change it, but as of right now, I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm thinking of changing to more of a quieter muffler and have it angled down like Corvette style coming out of here. Overall, truck is in good shape, very solid. Only thing I wish that it did have was a cargo light up here, but I mean, it's something I may add in the future before I paint it. Bed very solid. What y'all think about these bed rails? Will you change it, or would you leave the bed rails on the truck? I want to take them off. I built this truck to be a truck I enjoy my wife, truck I enjoy my dad, my family, and to go on car shows. Maybe do a little street racing with, but overall, I just want to enjoy the truck with my family. It came with a billet grill in it. I took the billet grill out. I got this from LMC truck, this more of an original grill. And I put the RMS headlights in, and I also put new park lights in right here from my LMC truck. What y'all think about this old 86 GMC? Would you lower it and put some wheels on it, or would you ride around on these factories? Y'all let me know in the comments, man. I got new weather stripping to go all the way around the windows, for the doors, for the back windows, and this new panel here all from LMC truck that I think I'm gonna wake and put on when I get the truck painted. I also got a classic instrument dash in here. I know a lot of people, they see the truck, they was like, man, is that the original dash? I'm like, no, I got a digital dash in it. But my thing was to kind of stay original, but modified in this truck. So that's that dash in there. Overall, the interior in real good shape. Most of these trucks, they rust in the cab corners. This is a Mississippi truck, and it's very solid, man. That's why I kept this one versus the black one I showed y'all. I'm gonna put a Snowden seat in here. As of right now, this bench seat pretty good. And I want to say this truck had maroon interior, because on here it's got a maroon dashboard. And this radio here, take it out, put me a CD player with Bluetooth. What is that right there? I know a lot of people might say, is it still conventional? It still got a 305, 350? No, sir. She is LS powered. Crank it up and give y'all a sound check over right quick. I don't gotta pat no gas and no stuff like that. She all there, y'all. Still gotta do a little more tuning. It's a fresh build, but as of right now, how she sound. This truck was really made to run and get out, but that is not my purpose with it. But the right people talk the noise, I will try it out. I ain't scared. How y'all think I should sound? Let me know in the comments, man. Is it just talking noise or it really mean business? Fresh build. Still got a lot of work to go. But as of now, I'm very happy with this truck, man. Haven't let me down yet. Let me pop the hood, man. All the bells and whistles under here, baby. I bought new fender wells to go in here. Got my name in the valve covers here. That intake just not on there for nothing. Fully silky. I will replace this and get this new once I paint the truck. But overall, this truck will run. It's not slow at all. Probably one of my fastest vehicles I own right now. So let me know in the comments, YouTube, what y'all think about this old truck, man. It's 86 C10. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I keep more updates coming. This is my 86 C10. I will continue to post more videos and updates when I do it. But right now, this is all that I have. I probably done had it back 2 weeks since the guy did the LS swap for me, man. And I'm more than happy. And yes, I still do got both dual tanks on my truck. They do work. But let me know in the comments, man, what y'all think about this truck, man. It's an 86 C10. Comment, like, and subscribe.